Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue to your favorite French class, Friendship with Sin. And today we're going to learn something very exciting. Today we're going to learn how to say different body parts in French. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So the body is called as le corps in French. And if you want to say the part of the body, you would say it as la partie du corps in French. So let's now see what are different body parts called in French. So the head is called as la tête, la tête, and the face is called as le visage. The eyes are called as les yeux, and one eye is called as l'oreille. The mouth is called as la bouche. The teeth are called as les dents. The nose is called as le nez. And the ear is called as l'oreille. And if you want to say the ears, you would say that as les oreilles. You can see the difference in the spelling when I pronounce it as a singular and a plural. The hair is called as les cheveux. The neck is called as le cou. The back is called as le dos. And the stomach is called as l'estomac or le ventre. The leg is called as la jambe. The knee is called as le genou. The arm is called as le bras. The hand is called as la main, and fingers are called as les doigts, and the foot is called as le pied. So this is how different body parts are called in French. And now we will know how these body parts can be used in a sentence. If you want to say I have a headache, how would you say that? You would say it as j'ai mal à la tête. J'ai mal à la tête. And if you want to say he used his left hand to write, you would say this as il écrit de la main gauche. It is important to know what body part is called what in French, because when you converse and when you have to go to the doctor and you would have to converse in French about where you have a problem, what is there. So this lesson comes in very handy over there. So make sure to practice all the body parts in French. Félicitations! We are through with how to say each body part in French. I hope this lesson was useful to you. If yes, don't forget to like the video, throw a comment in the comment section, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you're updated with every new video that comes in. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Friendship with Sin. And I'm available with the same username on Facebook as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Au revoir!